Hey, it's me, Toni-Lee. Thank you so much for being here and for being you. Today, I'm going to unbox my Ultrahuman ring. After I did the Aura ring video, Ultrahuman reached out and they asked if they could send me an Ultrahuman ring to try out, and I'm so excited to try it out. So I'm going to be doing a comparison with my Aura ring and the Ultrahuman for about a month. So definitely stay tuned for that. Just got my Ultrahuman package. This is the sizing kit. So let's open this baddie up. It does come DHL, so that makes me think, I think Ultrahuman might be a UK brand. I'm not entirely sure. But wow, this is really cute. So then you just have to pull to open. This is the sizing kit, and so it's recommended to wear the ring for the whole day because it does change your finger size like throughout the whole day. Do have the Aura ring on right now. I just did a review if you want to check that out. And Ultrahuman reached out and they wanted to send me a Ultrahuman ring to also test out. So I was like, yes, I would love to. I think it's very similar to the Aura ring, except I'm already liking it more. They give you a nice little card that has all of the different metals on it that you can choose from. They have raw titanium, aster black, matte gray, space silver, and then the bionic gold, which is the one that I am going to go with. Here we are. Just a nice, I'm going to test these out and see which size works best for the Aura ring. I'm a size 9 on this hand. When I was wearing it on this hand, it was an 8. So we shall see. Give it a test shot for the whole day. It would be really fun to unbox it together. So it's like this nice little box, just has a pull. But let's see our first impressions. Wow, my gosh, I'm literally so excited. Okay, so it comes in this nice little box here and has Ultrahuman Air. If you want to get 10% off, you can click the link below and get 10% off your own Ultrahuman ring. I got the gold finish. I did the sizing kit and oh, look at it. It's such a big box for such a tiny little thing. It's very similar to the Aura ring, but wow, oh my gosh, this is so exciting. It's very teeny. Woo! You really honestly like can't even tell a difference. I actually like the material of this ring a lot better than the Aura ring. Wow. So fancy. Okay, I put the ring on this finger, but I'm intrigued to see what else is in here because I believe you have to charge it somehow. Got your hands on more than just a ring, a personal compass to your life. We've got some cute stickers here. Cute little thing will open up, but here is the charger. I'm intrigued to see how long this will stay charged. The Aura ring stays charged for like 5 days, but nice. So that's everything in the box. Comes with the ring and then the charger. Very fun. And then we have this cute little thing here. Waterproof up to 100 meters. Tips to remove a stuck ring. That's so cute. Use cold water and gentle soap to wet your finger and slowly twist. Started. How do we get started? It feels so funny having 2 rings on. But download the app and plug the ring into the charging dock. The LED light will light up, turn purple to indicate it's ready for charging. Place your Ultrahuman ring on the charging dock. Charge the ring for at least 30 minutes before pairing it with the app. Let the ring remain charging before pairing. Ensure your mobile device Bluetooth is switched on. Next, launch the Ultrahuman app. And then once your ring is connected successfully, you will see a screen confirming the paired ring. Finally hit the Start My Journey button and you're all set. The one really cool thing that already I know the difference between these products is you don't have to pay for a subscription for the Ultrahuman where you do the Aura ring. It's like $6 a month that you pay for. So that's really enticing. But let's go charge this baddie on up. Yeah. And then, like I said, like I said, I'll be doing a comparison video. I'll be wearing these both for people. I'll be doing a comparison and wearing these both for a month to see how I like it and give you some updates. Oh, nice charger. I like the material of this charger. It seems very heavy duty.